get your tummy. Gonna get your tummy. Oh, that's so pretty, isn't it?
Mommy went that way.
He really likes that one.
She likes pink. She was staring at your shirt.
No, you're not going in there, monkey.
Someone likes pink.
She's gonna be a girly girl.
Mm-hmm.
Hannah. See Dada? Hi, Dada. Is he holding you?
What?
What did you just do, Anna? See a colored egg?
You'll take the diet?
She's like, oh, pink.
Yeah. She's obsessed over pink.
What's that?
What about blue?
Nope, didn't reach for it.
Try the pink again. It's the pink one she wants. What about yellow? You like yellow?
Yeah.
She likes yellow.
Yeah, yellow,
She likes
pink.
yellow and pink. Like green?
Yeah. You don't like blue? You sure?
No blue.
No?
Well, she's
Okay, I
kind
guess that's her order. Pink, yellow, green, blue.
of... Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.